girls and I have been traveling together on various road trips of various lengths throughout the west side of the Rocky Mountain Range over these past few years together. After our previous 6-month-long road trip through the Southwest, we have recently decided to spend more time exploring our own corner of the country and showing all that this area has to offer the explorer and lover of the rugged natural world in the vast Pacific Northwest. When I refer to the Pacific Northwest, I not only include Washington and Oregon, but also include Montana, Idaho, and British Columbia, Canada, in my roamings to come in this series of Dog Gone Rv'N videos. I hope you will subscribe right now not to miss a single adventure through the great Pacific Northwest. So, what is the focus of my dog travel channel? Well, because my background is in the natural sciences and I have a deep interest in Western history and odd and quirky locations and towns, this channel will include a plethora of subjects, adventures, and discoveries for those that travel with us as viewers. This is not a DIY channel or anything like that. We are a storytelling channel where to best enjoy our videos and what we have to share with you in each adventure, you need to take a break, relax, sit down, and enjoy the journey the girls and I are about to take you on in each video. Life is fast enough today. Slow down and shut out the craziness of this modern world and sail away from your safe harbor with us for a short time on each adventure. Find that feeling of adventure and excitement you have lost somewhere between childhood and cynicism of the adult world today. So, if you have ever wondered about old western ghost towns and mining towns, mountainous caverns you can tour, natural history and western history sites they never taught you about in school, or examples of how you can upgrade and improve your own RV for life on the open road, or how to dry camp comfortably in the national forests, national parks, or even dispersed camping, then we are the ones to join. Subscribe now and ride along with the girls and I as we continue our adventures and discoveries on and off the road to places old and new to see what makes them special. If you find yourself undecided as to subscribing, I can only ask that you review some of our older videos in our collection to see if our adventures interest any part of your curiosity about the world. You will also see my video skills have continued to improve over these past 4 years of creating this YouTube channel from scratch, not knowing scratch about this social media platform. So as always, the girls and I wish you happy trails and woof woof. See you later.